So welcome to all of you. Last time we have seen the double integral by using the substitution method or by using the transformation. Okay. So now we'll continue that. So the next problem is what? Evaluate double integral over R for x plus x y dA, where R is a parallelogram with vertices are given to you. The transformation is also given to you. Okay. So we solve this. Okay. Solution. Let R is equal to this. Okay. Given that x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 4 v minus 3. Okay. So first we'll draw this region, because what here you want to find the curve, that means R is bounded by the curve. That curve you have to find this. Okay. So we'll draw just a diagram for this one. So now this is what, suppose this is 1, this is 2, 1, 2, 3 suppose. Okay. So suppose this is what, minus 1, suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and suppose this is 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, this point minus 1, 3, this point is minus 1, 3 is here, minus 1, 3 is here. Oh, minus 1, 3 is here. Okay, so then 1 minus 3, this is your 1, this is your 1, minus 3 is here, 1 minus 3 is here. 3, 1, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. So you are here. Okay. So okay, we'll write a point. This is what? 1 minus 3. This is 1 minus 3. This point is what? X is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. This point is what? Y is equal to 3, minus 1, 3. And last point 1, 5. This is your 1 and this is your 5. So this is 1, 5. 1, 5. So you have to draw this. Okay. So we join this. This is your region of the integration. So I will say this is A, I will say this is B, I will say this is C, and I will say this is D. Okay. So now I will find these are the lines. I will find the equations of AB. Okay. AB. Okay. Equation of AB. So you may say this is the equation of AB. So what equation of AB? X minus, so I will call this as x1, y1, I will call this as x2, y2. X plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to y minus 3 upon 5 minus 3. Okay. So now we will cross multiply. This is 2 to get cancelled. So this is what? This implies that x plus 1 is equal to y minus 3. So this implies that x minus y is equal to minus 2. Okay, keep this at, doesn't matter. Okay, or you may write this is what? X, this is not minus 2, this is minus 4 now. X minus y, minus 4. Okay, now do we get the equation of AB now? We'll find the equation of BC now. Equation of BC. Okay, I call this as x1, y1, I call this as x2, y2. So x minus 1, x minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, y minus 5, is it 5? Yes, this is 5, y minus 5 upon minus 1 minus 5. So this implies that x minus 1 upon 2, y minus 5 upon minus 6. So you can multiply by, this is what, so this is what, y minus 1, so this is x minus 1 minus 3. So you can cancel this minus 3. So this is y minus 5. So this is what then? So this is what? Minus 3x plus 3 is equal to y minus 5. So I will shift all the term to that side. What we get then? So I will keep this 3 as it is here. I will shift the 5 here. So this is what? Y. So this implies that y 3x plus y. Okay. So 3x plus y is equal to, I have shifted this and 5 to this side. So this is 8. This is 8. Then I will find the equation of CD now. Equation of CD. So this is what? X minus 3. X minus 3 upon x minus 3 upon 1 minus 3 is equal to y plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. So this is what? X minus 3 upon minus 2 y plus 1 upon minus 2. Okay. So that means what here? X is equal to y plus 4. X is equal to y plus 4. This is the equation. X is equal to y plus 4. Okay. Now I find the equation of then AD now. Equation of AD. This is A. So what? X plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Then y minus 3. Y minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 3. Okay. So this is what then? X plus 1 upon 2. Y minus 3 upon minus 6. Okay, so again the 3 will be here, minus 3 will be here. So minus 3 x plus 1 is equal to y minus 3. I will shift y to that side. Okay, so this 3x to that side and minus 3 to this side. So then this will what then? So y plus minus 3x is shifted to that side. 3x. Okay, that is 3x plus y. Then here what? Minus 3 and the plus 3 get cancelled. So this is 0. So y is equal to y plus. So x minus. So first equation is what? We get x minus y is equal to minus 4. X minus y is equal to minus 4. Next equation 3x. 3x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. So I write all these equations here. Just I write because I want the space. So I write all the equations are here. Therefore what? R is bounded by. Okay. So I write R is bounded by x minus y is equal to minus 4. 3x plus y is equal to 8. X is equal to y plus 4. And y plus 3x is equal to 0. Okay. So now we have the transformation, that is x is equal to 1 by 4 and this. So we will find the Jacobian also. We will find Jacobian. So this is xy dou of uv. So we will write first formula dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. Okay. So this is equal to. So dou x by dou u is 1 by 4. Dou x by dou v is also 1 by 4. Then dou x by dou is minus 3 by 4 and dou y by dou v is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. Okay. So cross multiply 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16. So this is 4 by 16. So this is 1 by 4. So this is what? 1 by 4. So your Jacobian is 1 by 4. So therefore R is equal to integration over S now we'll say S. Okay. So now 4. So 4. This is what? 4x now. This is 4x. So directly we will put the value of 4x as u plus b. U plus b. Plus 8y. This is 4y. Right? We'll multiply by 2. So we get 8y. So you have to multiply by 2 now here. So plus multiply by 2 only. So 2b minus 6u d Jacobian. Okay. So this is what? Jacobian. Mod of the Jacobian du dv. Okay. Now we have to find the region S now. Okay. So region S we will find this. What? X minus y is equal to 4 minus 4. Implies that we will put the value of x. This is what? 1 by 4 u plus v minus 1 by 4 v minus 3 is equal to minus 4. I will shift 4 to that side. So what we get then? This implies that u plus v minus, I will separate this one. We are shifting 4 this side. That means this 4 get cancelled. Just simplify the bracket then. Minus 3v plus 3u is equal to minus 16. So your VV get cancelled. So 4u is equal to minus 16. That means what here? U is equal to minus 4. So you get u is equal to minus 4. Okay. So now next equation is what? 3x plus y. 3x plus y is equal to 8. So this is what? 3 by 4 u plus v plus 1 by 4 v minus 3u is equal to 8. Again I will multiply by 4 on the both side and I will simplify this. So this is what? 3u plus v. So we are multiplied by 4. So plus v minus 3u is equal to, so 8 into 4, that is what? 32. Again here what? 3u get cancelled. So twice u is equal to 32. That means what? U is equal to v is equal to 16. V is equal to 16. So I get v is equal to so 3x plus y u is what? 3. So 3u. Oh, this is what? 3u plus 3v. This is what? 3u plus 3v. Okay. So what we get? 4v, we get 4v. So that means what? 4v. So this is what? 8 now. See here, but here 3 you have to multiply by u and v also. So 3u plus 3v plus v minus 3u. Okay. So v is equal to 8 now. Okay. So next x. So I will write this is what? X minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. This implies that. Okay. Now this is what? X minus y is already here. Okay. So this is what? 1 by 4 u plus v minus 1 by 4 v minus 3u is equal to 4. Implies that. I multiply by 4 now. I multiply by 4. So this is what? U plus v minus v plus 3u is equal to 16. So this implies that. Again we will get cancelled. U is equal to 4. U is equal to 4. Okay. Now last equation what? Y plus 3x is equal to 0. Y plus 3x is equal to 0. So imply that your y is what? 1 by 4 v minus 3u plus 3x plus 3 by 4. Your x is what? U plus v is equal to 0. We will multiply by 4 now. So on that side we get a 0. Multiply by, this is what? V minus 3u plus 3u plus 3 plus 3v is equal to 0. So this implies that, so your u get cancelled. So 4v is equal to 0. So v is equal to 0 now. So v is equal to 0. So we get a constant limit. So no need to write, draw the region S now. So just we will say here S is bounded by u is equal to minus 4, u is equal to 4, v is equal to 0 and v is equal to 8. V is equal to 8. Okay. So therefore your integration is, this is your integration. Okay. So therefore I is equal to, I will integrate with respect to v first. So I will write the limits of u. So this is what? Minus 4 to 4. This is 0 to v. Okay. So what is, after simplifying, this is what? 3v minus 5u 1 by 4 dv. Oh, this is what? 0 to 8 now. 0 to 8. So dv du. Okay, now integrate this. Integrate this. This is minus 4 to 4. This is minus 4 to 4. 3v square upon 2 minus 5uv. 1 by 4. Okay, I will take 1 by 4 out. So 0 to 8 du. 0 to 8. 1 by 4 minus 4 to 4. If you put v is equal to 0, then everything is 0. So only we have to put the upper limit. So this is what 8 square. See, this is what 3, 8 into 8 upon 2. Okay. So 1 to 1 get cancelled. This is what 4. So this is what. So this is 32. 32 into 3. So this is 96. This is 96 minus 40u. So this is du now. Okay. So 1 by 4. I can take a 1 by 4. So we can remove this 4. So this number is divisible by this. So this is what minus 4 to 4. I will simplify this. So 4. So 2, 24 minus 10u du. Now we will integrate this. This is what 24u minus 10u square by 2. And this is minus 4. Okay. So first we will put 4. So this is what, just write this is what 24 into 4. Just I write this is what. Minus this is what 5 4 square. Minus 5 4 square. Okay. Then minus, I write minus here. Okay. So then what 24 into minus 4. 24 into minus 4. Then minus 5 minus 4 square. Okay. So now this what minus become plus, so it get cancelled. So only what here 24 into 4 plus 24 into 4 now here, right? So this is 24 into 8 now, right? So 4 plus 4 is 8. So this will be equal to 192. This is equal to 192. So 32. So 3 is there. So 16 plus 3 is 19. So 192 is the required answer. Okay. We take the next problem. Evaluate double integral over r x square dA, where r is the region bounded by the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36 by using the transformation x is equal to twice u, y is equal to 3v. X is equal to twice u, y is equal to 3. Okay. Solution. Let I is equal to this, where R is the region bounded by this. Okay. Bounded by this, and we also given that x is equal to twice u this. Okay. So first we will find the Jacobian. Okay. So we will find the Jacobian. No need to find the region now. Region is what you have given, it is the ellipse. Okay. So no need to find the region now. No need to draw this region now. Okay. So you have to draw the next region, what the transform region you have to draw. Okay. So first we will find the Jacobian. Jacobian is what? So dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. Okay. So now this is dou x by dou u is 2. This is 0. Dou y by dou u is 0. So this is 3 now. So this is 6. 6 is the Jacobian. Okay. Now your integral is nothing but what? Integral over s. So this is what? 4u square. Because your x square, x is twice u. So then Jacobian du d. You can write here dv du, doesn't matter. Because what? Here the limits are not given. Okay. Now we have to find a s. Okay, so S is bounded, S is bounded by, S is bounded by. So now we put x is equal to twice u and y is equal to 3v here. So this is what 9 twice u square plus 4 3v square is equal to 36. So that is, so this is 4 into 9 is 36 u square. This is 9 into 4 is 36 v square is equal to 36. So that is what u square plus v square is equal to 1. That means your S is bounded by this. That means it is a full circle. Okay, so full circle is there. So this is your full circle. Okay, now this is your what? V axis, this is your u axis, this is origin. Okay, now we'll draw this in parallel. Now see, so what is this? This is a function of u. Okay, so it is better to integrate this with respect to v now. It is better to integrate this with respect to v now. Okay, so that means we will draw the strip parallel to this. Your strip will be parallel to like this. Okay, now then your S is I is equal to, your radius is what? So this is what circle, this is what -1 1. So your range of u will be what? -1 to 1, and range of v from this is what? X u square plus v square is equal to 1. That means v square is equal to 1 minus u square. So v is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus u square. Okay, so that means what? This is minus root of 1 minus u square. This is root of 1 minus u square or u square. And what is the Jacobian? Is 6 into 6. So these are the limits of v. So this is what? v du. This order is very important now. Here what? du dv. Here order is not important because we have written here integral over s. But here what? You have you have the limits of u and v. So these are the limits of v. You must have to integrate v first. So dv must be first and then du. So order is important here. Okay. So now we'll integrate this. So this is what then -1 to 1. So this is what 24. Okay, u square v. This is minus root of 1 minus u square, 1 minus u square du. So now this is what? -1 to 1. So first we will put the upper limit. 24 u square root of 1 minus u square. Then what? Minus become plus again. This is 24 u square root of 1 minus u square du. So this is -1 to 1. So this is 48 now. 48 u square root of 1 minus u square du. Right? Now see, this is a even function because if you put u is equal to minus u, then it is as it is here. The function will be as it is. So it is even function because your limits are -1 to 1. So this becomes what? 2 times 0 to 1 now. 0 to 1, 48 u square root of 1 minus u square du. So this is what? 48. So this is 96. Okay, 0 to 1 u square root of 1 minus u square. Now this is the product. This is the product, and both the functions are algebraic. So what we have to do? We will use the substitution. We have to use the substitution now. So what here? 1 minus root of 1 minus u square is there. You know that 1 minus sin square is cos square. So what we will put? U is equal to cos theta. Okay. So put x is equal to cos theta. We will put x is equal to cos theta. That means u is equal to, okay, so put u is equal to cos theta. So du is equal to sin theta will put, so that the derivative, right? You may put cos theta, no problem, but derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So we will put u is equal to sin theta. So du is equal to cos theta d theta. Okay. So we put the limits of this. Okay. So if u is equal to 0, this implies that theta is also 0, because what 0 is equal to sin. Okay. So if u is equal to 1, if u is equal to 1, sin theta is pi 1, that means theta is pi by 2. Okay. So therefore I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. So 96 is there. 96 is there. 96. So u square. So sin square theta. Sin square theta. Root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, that is cos theta. That is cos theta. And du is equal to cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta. Okay. So R is equal to 96, 0 to pi by 2, sin square theta, cos square theta d theta. Okay. So now what I will do, I will write this is 96 by 4, 0 to pi by 2, and I will write this is what 2 sin theta cos theta bracket square theta. So this is 4 is there. Okay. So 4 is not there. I have divided and multiplied by 4. And we know that this is sin 2 theta. So this is what 96 by 4. So this is what 24. Okay. 0 to pi by 2, not pi by 4. This is pi by 2. Okay. Now this is sin 2 theta. So this is sin square 2 theta d theta. Again 2 is not there. I can write this is 12 pi by 2, 2 sin square 2 theta. So you know that 2 sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta. So this is what 12, 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Now we will integrate this. This is 12, this is theta minus sin 2 theta upon 2, 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So 12. So this is what pi by 2. Now sin pi is 0. Sin pi is 0. Right? So again if you put 0, so everything is 0. So this is what 6 pi. The value of the integration is what 6 pi. Okay. Now we do the next problem. Evaluate double integral over R xy dA, where R is the region in the first quadrant, bounded by the lines, x is equal to y is equal to 3x, and hyperbolas x is equal to xy is equal to 1, xy is equal to 3, by using the transformation, x is equal to u upon v, y is equal to v. Okay. So this problem is look like as a complicated, but it is not a complicated, note that. Okay. So we have already given the regions are 4 regions. These 4 curves are already provided to you, and transformation is also provided to you. Okay. So this is very easy. No need to find the equation of any line or anything, right? Already you have given the line, all the boundary curves you have given them. This. Okay. So with solution, let I is equal to this. Okay. So instead of this is what, by using transformation what, just we write and. So given that x is equal to, so first we will find the Jacobian. Okay, so we will find the Jacobian. So Jacobian is what, dou xy by dou ub. So this is what Jacobian is what, dou x by dou u, dou x by, it may be function of u and v, note that. Then what, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. Okay, dou x by dou u is 1 by v. Then dou x by dou v is minus u upon v square. Y is equal to v. Y is equal to v. Yes, y is equal to v. So this is 0. Then this is 1. So this is 1 upon v. Okay, so this is 1 upon v. Then your I will be what? Double integral over s. Double integral over s. xy. This is your xy. X is what? uv. Your y is what? v. Jacobian. Mod of the Jacobian. I can write here du, dv or dv du, doesn't matter. Okay, where s is bounded by. Okay? X is equal to y implies that x is equal to y means what, u by v is equal to v implies that v square is equal to u. That means what, bounded by v square is equal to u. Then what, y is equal to 3x. What is your y is v. What is your this 3u upon v. This implies that v square is equal to 3u. That means bounded by v square is equal to u, v square is equal to 3u. Then xy is equal to 1. Implies that xy is equal to 1 means what, xy. So we will get cancelled. Implies that u is equal to 1. Okay. Now then xy is equal to 3. Implies that your xy, x into y is what, u is equal to 3. Right? So no need to this. So therefore what? Therefore S is bounded by u is equal to 1, u is equal to 3, v square is equal to u, and v square is equal to 3u. Okay. So we draw the region now. This is your u axis, this is your v axis. Now your parabola, first we will draw the parabola. So this is v square is equal to u, and that is v square is equal to 3u. So v square is equal to u is this parabola. And where is the first quadrant? So we will draw only the first quadrant only. Okay. Then v square is equal to 3 is this parabola. See, we can draw this like this. So this is what, v square is equal to u, and this is what, v square is equal to 3u. Then what, u is equal to 1. This line is u is equal to 1. And this line is u is equal to 2. That means this region, this is the region of the integration. Okay. Now we draw strip parallel. Now for see here. So this is what, this is integrable with respect to u, integrable with respect to v. So no problem, you can draw. Now but you see, if you want to draw strip parallel to this u axis, then what, form this parabola to line, and here line to line, and this is what, here again line to parabola then. Okay. So that is what we will draw the strip parallel to. It is better to draw the strip parallel to v axis only. Okay. So v axis, we will draw the strip parallel to v axis. Then your eyes. So what are the limits of u is 1 to 2. Limits of v from the lower curve and v from the upper curve. V from the lower curve is root u, and v from the upper curve is root of 3u. We are not taking minus sign because we are in the first quadrant. Okay. Now what is this integration? So this is what, u. This is u. Okay. Cancel. What is your Jacobian? Is 1 upon v. Right. So then these are the limits of, this is what, dv du. So actually we have to integrate this with respect to v now. This is what 1 to 2, 1 to 2. We have to integrate this. We have to integrate. This is u log of v, root u root 3u dv. So I can take u common here actually, 1 to 2 u common, and I will put the upper limit and lower limit. Log of 3 root u, root, not 3 root u, so root of 3u minus log of root u dv. Okay, I will apply the rules of the logarithm here. So this is u, this is what log of root 3 means root 3 root u upon root u. D, this is du, not dv, du. Okay, so du. Now this is what root u get cancelled. This is log root 3. I can take log root 3 common now here, and I will integrate u. This is what u square by 2, 1 to 2. This is what log of root 3. How you got log of root 3? Because this root 2 get cancelled. So this is log of root 3. You may write this is what 1/2 log 3 also. So now this is what here. So if you put u is equal to 2, so 2 square by 2, that will be 2 minus half. So this is what 2 minus half is what 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 log root 3. Or you may write this what 3 by 4 log 3 also. Oh, here what? Limit is 3 now. Limit is 3. Limit is 3. So this will be what then? 9 by 2. 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 minus 2 by 8 by 2. That means this is 4. 4 log root 3. 4 log root 3 is the required answer. Or you may write this is what? So log 3 means 3 to the power half. So this is what? 2 log 3. 2 log 3 is also answer. You know, it is better to stop here. Okay. Okay. So we'll solve this. Evaluate double integral over r y square dA, where r is the region bounded by xy is equal to 1, xy is equal to 2, xy square is equal to 1, xy square is equal to 3, by using the transformation x is equal to u is equal to xy and v is equal to xy square. Okay, solution. Let I is equal to this. Okay, so we'll erase this transformation. Okay, so where given that u is equal to xy, this. Okay, so what we'll do? This is what v is equal to xy into y. So your xy is u. So y is equal to v by u now. Not what? So this is what? Yes, y is equal to this is u. Okay, so v by u. Y is equal to v by u. Okay, now we'll put here now. we'll put here. So u is equal to x v by u. So therefore x is equal to u square by v. X is equal to u square by v. And y is equal to v upon u. Okay, so we'll find Jacobian dou xy by dou uv. Okay, so we are familiar with the Jacobian. I will directly replace it instead of writing dou x by dou y. So I will directly write it, then we do dou x by dou u. So this is twice u by v. Then dou x by dou v. This is minus u square upon v square. Then dou y by dou u is minus v upon u square. Okay. Then dou y by dou v is 1 by u. Is 1 by u. Okay. So we cross multiply this. So we get twice 2 by v. 2 by v minus. Okay. I cross multiply this. Then what here? U square get cancelled. Then 1 by v. This we get 1 by v. So this is 1 by v. Okay. Because denominators are same. So this your Jacobian is 1 by v. So I will write here somewhere Jacobian is 1 by v. Okay. Therefore I is integration over s. Okay. Y square. Your y is what? Y is v square upon u square. Jacobian du dv. Okay. Your Jacobian is 1 upon v. No problem. So s is bounded by xy is equal to 1 means what? U is equal to 1. Directly you have the value of xy. Xy is equal to 2. That means what? U is equal to 2. Xy square is v now. So v is equal to, no, this is very simple now. V is equal to 3. Okay. So therefore I is equal to. So you can integrate with respect, because limits are constant, no need to draw the region now. So I will integrate with respect to v first. So this is what? 1, 2, 3. Then what? V square. V square is what? Jacobian is 1 upon v. So this is what? V upon u square dv du. Actually this is product. I can separate this. I can directly write this is what? 1 to 2 1 upon u square du, and this is what? 1 to 3 v dv. Okay. So 1 upon u square means what? U raised to minus 2. So this is u raised to minus 2. This is what? U raised to minus 1 upon minus 1. 1 to 2. Okay. So this is v square upon 2. V square upon 2. 1 to 3. Because what? U square minus u square. 1 upon u square is u raised to minus 2. And for integrating we are adding 1. Okay. So now this is what? I will simplify this first. Minus u. And so this. Now this is what? 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So now this is what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus minus become plus 1. Right? And into what? 9 by 2 is 8. So this is 4. So now this is minus half means what? This is plus half into 4. So this is 2. So your answer is what? Okay, so this is the answer. I hope that you understand all these things. So we will stop here, and this is the end of multivariable calculus. So I have completed whole syllabus of the multivariable calculus in semester first. So from next lecture we will go to the second paper, that is what? Numerical methods. Okay, so now we stop here. So this is the end of multivariable calculus. So try to solve all the problems we have solved here independently. So I hope that you can do this one. Okay. So we will stop here. Thank you.